Good morning, our third standard students. How are you? I am fine. I hope you are well. Now, welcome you to the English class. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. English. Students, I say one thing before teaching. Tamil is our mother language, you know. English is not our mother language. But English is an international language, the whole world. So, we must speak in English. We try to speak in English at basic level. Okay? Okay. Now, shall we draw one picture? Come on. I draw the picture of house. Look at the blackboard. Students, I hope this picture gives the good atmosphere of the house. Now, you try to draw it and color it. Okay. When we say the name house, we remind their rooms. What are the rooms in our house? Look at this. We should have the 6 rooms. We should have 6 rooms basically in our house. The first one is living room. The second one is conference room. The third one is kitchen room. The fourth one is bedroom. The fifth one is bathroom. The sixth one is storage room. Now, we are going to learn about these rooms with the help of the screen. Students, welcome you to the picture of the screen, picture in the screen. Now you see the living room. In living room, we can sit on the sofa, we can watch the television, we can speak with ourselves. This is called living room. Next, students, you see, what is the name of this room? This is called conference room. If anybody come to our house, neighbors or strangers come to our house, we can speak with them without any disturbance. So, we should make the conference room in our house. Students, you have also this room. What is the room? Yes, kitchen room. Students, you know this room is bedroom, you know also. Students, you know this is our bathroom, you know. Students, do you know this room? This is called storage room. We can put the non-used materials, we can put in this room. See, this is called storage room. Now, we have learned the 6 basic rooms in our house. Now we are going to learn about the kitchen room. Our topic is our kitchen. I have to teach the kitchen things with the help of the pictures and with the help of the real things. First, we see the picture of the kitchen things. Now, students, here are some kitchen things. Now, you first this. What is this? You have also in your house, in your kitchen. This is called stove. It is made by steel. It burns with the help of the petroleum gas. It is helping to our kitchen. It is used to cooking. Okay? This is called stove. The spelling is stove. S-T-O-V-E. Stove. In early periods, we have seen many types of stoves, but nowadays all the houses have this type of gas stove. Okay, now we are going to next picture. What is this? Yes, you know, this is mixer. It is also called mixer grinder. It helps to mix the cooking things, you know. Especially, we like the chutney and garam masala, like that, etc. Okay, what is called mixer? The spelling is mixer is M-I-X-E-R, mixer. Okay, now we are going to the next one. Students, do you know about this? We see it rarely in the houses. It is an electrical system. It is helping to cooking. It gives some warmth to heat. For an example, bake a cake. It is called microwave oven. What is the spelling of microwave oven? M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E-O-V-E-N. All of you say microwave oven. Okay. The next picture. What is this? This is called kettle. What is it used for? It is used for to keep the warm water, tea, coffee, and pour into the another vessels. This is called kettle. The kettle spelling is K-E-T-T-L-E. Kettle. Okay. We are going to the next. Students, look at this. You have also in your kitchen, it makes a whistle sound. When it gets the correct pressure with the heat, it is called the pressure cooker. It is also called the cooker. It is used to cook the broth, food, meat, etc., etc., like that, etc. Okay, this is called cooker. The cooker spelling is C-O-O-K-E-R. Okay. At last, you see this picture. You know about this. What is this? Yes. This is a pot. It is used to fill up the water, to drink the water, to help us to drink the water. Okay. All of you say the spelling pot. P-O-T. Pot. Okay, students, we have learned the kitchen things from the pictures, by the pictures, with the help of the pictures. Now, I show you the original things at first. What is this? Yes, this is called tablespoon. It is used to take the food and eat. What is the spelling of tablespoon? T-A-B-L-E, table. S-P-O-O-N, tablespoon. Okay. Now, it is looked like a spoon, but it is not called as spoon. It is fork. The fork helps us to stab the food. What is the meaning stab? Stab the food. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Students, now you see. Students, what's the spelling of fork? Fork, F-O-R-K. The spelling of fork, F-O-R-K. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is this? You know, this is a tumbler. What is the spelling of the tumbler? What is it used for? It is used for to drink the coffee, milk and water. What is the spelling of tumbler? T-U-M-B-L-E-R. Students, you have also in your kitchen. What is this? This is called lota. The lota is also used to take and drink the water. The lota spelling L-O-T-A. Students, what is this? Yes, do you know? This is called knife. What is this? This is called cutter. What are the uses of them? They used to cut the vegetables into the two pieces. Like this. Okay? What is the spelling of knife? K-N-I-F, like this. Students, do you know about this? Yes, this is called cutting board. It is also helps us to cut the vegetables and meat like that, etc. Yes. What is the spelling of knife? K-N-I-F-E. What is the spelling of cutting board? C-U-T-T-I-N-G B-O-A-R-D. The next one. Students, did you look this? This is called peeler. It is used to peel. Peel means remove the skin of the vegetables. Like this. Definitely, your mother has this in your kitchen. This is called peeler. The peeler spelling is P-E-E-L-E-R. Okay. Next one. What is this? You have seen this in your kitchen. This is called funnel. The funnel is used to pour the water into another vessels, pour the water and or liquids like oil without any shedding. It is called funnel. The funnel spelling is F-U-N-N-E-L. Okay. Students, now you see, what is this? Do you know about this? It is called lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. What is it used for? Now, I squeeze the lemon with the help of the lemon squeezer. I cut the lemon into 2 pieces. I take 1 piece and put inside of the lemon squeezer and squeeze the lemon to make a juice, lemon juice. Okay, it is called the lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer spelling L-E-M-O-N, lemon, S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E-R, lemon squeezer. Okay, students, have you seen is this in your kitchen? What is it called? It is called as a grater. There are many graters, many types of graters in our houses. It is used to change the vegetables into small particles. Look at it. Students, now the carrot becomes into small particles. We can make a slice with help of the grater. Now like this. Okay. Now all of you say the name Grater. What is the spelling? G-R-A-T-E-R. Grater. The next one is, you all have seen in your house, you use this daily in your house. What is this? This is a plate. The plate spelling P-L-A-T-E. Now, have you seen? Is this in your kitchen? Yes. It is called whisk. It is called whisk. It is used to stir the egg to make an omelette. This is called whisk. Whisk spelling W-H-I-S-K. Students, have you seen this in your kitchen? It is used to filter the sludge. Filter the sludge in tea powder and juices. It is used to filter. It is called as strainer. What is the spelling of strainer? S-T-R-A-I-N-E-R. Strainer. All of you say the spelling. S-T-R-A-I-N-E-R. Strainer. It uses to filter. It uses to filter. Okay. Next, you see. Students, have you seen this in your kitchen? This is called rolling pin. It is used to make chapati and buri. Okay. Now, its spelling is R-O-L-L-I-N-G. Rolling pin. P-I-N. Pin. Students, did you look this in your kitchen? This is called bowl. We can keep the heat things like soup and sauce in this kitchen things. This is called bowl. What is the spelling of bowl? B-O-W-L. Bowl. Students, have you seen this? Yes. It is called pan. It is used to fry the vegetables make an omelets like that, etc. It is called pan. P-A-N. Students, have you seen this? It helps to drink the coffee, heat things. It is called cup and saucer. It helps to drink the liquids without shedding, without any shedding. It is called cup and saucer. The spelling C-U-P, cup, A-N-D, and S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. Cup and saucer. Students, you look at this in your kitchen. Look at the kitchen. It is called the ladle. It is used to stir the broth and take and pour into the plate. It is called ladle. Ladle spelling L-A-D-L-E. All of you say L-A-D-L-E. Students, what is this? What is this? This is called tongues. It is used to, we cannot touch the heat things. So it is used to touch the heat things, take the heat things like fish fry, heat papadam, etc. like that, etc. It is called tongues. The spelling is tongues, T-O-N-G-S, tongues. Students, at last one. What is this? This is called churner. What is used for? It helps us to churn the spinach. Okay, this is called the churner. Churner spelling C-H-U-R-N-E-R. Now, we have learned many more things in our kitchens, things names in our kitchens by the uses of the pictures and the real things. Students, now, before the ending, I say one thing. Look at the picture. Here are many types of varieties foods here. We must accept one word. We are all accept. The one of the most popular word is food. We accept that must. The food is, because the food is our sources of our health, wealth, and our growth. But the kitchen room and the kitchen things are the sources of the food. So we must keep clean our kitchen room, clean and tidy. Okay. Okay, students, you write down all these names in your homework note and bring me when you come to school. Today class is over. Thank you.